Not just cream cheese, guys. The cheese is
then they deep fry a big thing of cheese. All these big things of cheese too that you cut with it. Oh,
yeah,
it's
so good. Oh, me too, Lost. And this was such good ceviche. It was so good.
It was really, really good. Oh, we can show you.
Oh yeah, I have a picture.
We took a picture. Yeah, I think it's a good thing I didn't walk down the aisle to this.
Yes, thank you.
But watch out, I have to be sure I don't show them my boobs.
Oh my god, Amy, I'm gonna cry.
What?
Remember this little boy?
I saw that he's home now.
Oh! The little boy who Bad Bunny handed his girl.
Is that really him? What? No! Is that actually true? No, I'm tearing up. No, there's no way.
No, it's gotta be, yeah. It's gotta be. That's the same boy.
What?
Oh, my heart.
If that's real, that's crazy.
My dad sent it to me.
Aww.
My dad gets so upset. It feels so sad. My dad is like my dad is a very empathetic,
I don't have a picture apparently.
Empathetic person. He gets so
Lost.
upset.
You know during the halftime show when Bad Bunny handed the Grammy to the little kid?
It's him! It's the poor little boy who got taken in his bunny
On
head.
his way to school.
On his way home from school. And then his brother got home and found his dad and his brother not home when they were supposed to be and was like, oh my god.
Yeah, Lost, I'm sorry, you need to become a Bad Bunny fan. Enough of all your resisting.
Stop,
He's such a good
so
person.
cute. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Angel. Your love is my medicine. I'm Batman. Mr. Recoup, are we? 6'7". Get out of here, Chris. Oh, thanks, Vlad. Vlad Dracul. Thank you. Oh. Hallo. Hallo, Vlad. Guten Tag. Oh, I love.
Oh, apparently it's not him. What's up, Robert?
They're lying?
Yeah, TMZ said.
Ah. Dang it! They lie. They get on the internet and they lie. Do you clean? I think so, yeah. Yeah, just spread. It was intended to symbolize a young Benito. Be okay if this is what I think it is. What new horror movies lately? There honestly haven't been a lot of new horror movies out recently. It's not him. People just saw a little Mexican boy and were like, must be him.
That would have been nice if you did.
Yeah. It was like, I picked up on that symbolism. Yeah, that it was supposed to be like kind of young him. Giving him the Grammy to little boy. I loved it though. I loved the whole thing.
It was amazing.
Thank you,
Yeah, I
Vlad.
think people just thought they looked the same.
Yes, unfortunately.
And assumed it was him.
Which is it would be great. Gonna have to break that news to my dad.
Hey, yes.
I'll break it to them in the morning. His future self encouraging him. Yeah, exactly.
Hey, Goblin.
It was so cute. I loved it all, guys. I really did. I really did. I know, Fire Soul. I know. Well, guys.
Time to call it.
Almost, because we have to get up pretty early.
Yeah, we have to get up at 11.
And
can you believe me up at 11?
So the thing is if we get off at 3, meaning we will sit and talk until like 5 a.m.
Yeah.
It'll be bad. Early day.
Early day, yup. So we'll head out now, guys. Hey, Damika, what's up, beautiful?
Yeah, this might be the best time to do it.
Yeah, I think it's time, and we won't be on tomorrow, guys, because we have to get up at 4 a.m. for our flight. But we might be on Tuesday night, maybe a chill little stream, or maybe you'll see us Wednesday.
Yeah, we'll see how we feel.
Maybe Tuesday, definitely Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
Love you guys.